Please go back to my former videos or my previous videos if you are ready to learn this work very well. You want to know it very well, go back. They've used this blade to condemn. And you see there is hole inside. The upper blade has drilled hole inside the bottom clipper blade. It's a new clipper blade. It has not been sharpened before, but this is the first time they have used it for almost 7 months. Look at this one too. This one is STAREX. This one is Kiki. You are welcome back to my channel. Can you see I cannot deceive you? To become a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, to become a real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade using of super hard manual sharpening stone. Let me still repeat it again. Using of super hard manual sharpening stone is very easy. It is very easy when you follow my tutorial step by step. Follow the way I'm doing it. Follow the way I'm doing it. But very difficult if you don't follow my instructions. Very difficult if you don't follow. My advice for you is to go back to my previous videos. Please go back to my previous videos. The videos I have produced earlier in my YouTube channel. Go back and be watching them one by one. Yeah, watch the title. Design a problem for yourself through the sharpening. Then look at the video that the topic match the answer to your question. Try to watch step by step the way I'm doing things, so that this work will be very easy for you to do. I thank God. Many barbers have been sending videos to me sharpening clipper blade very well. I'm very happy and give glory to Almighty God. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe for you to see all my YouTube videos. Subscribe for you to see all my YouTube videos. Yeah, this is how to sharpen step by step in sharpening of the used to condemn clipper blades. Used to condemn clipper blades, the up and down clipper blades. I used to tell you in my environment the way barbers use clipper blades. If you are not a real professional, you cannot sharpen them very well. You cannot sharpen them logically, technically, professionally. Okay, I'm telling you, and I'm happy. All this type of clipper blades, you see the way I used to fashion them out in sharpening. Yeah, proving to you that what sharper can do, sharpening stone can still do it better, like sharper. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely. Try to follow my tutorials step by step. Try to follow the way I do work. Try to follow the way I fashion my sharpening out. Step by step the way I'm doing it. There's no rushy, no hurry. So I'm doing these things slowly for you to be able to grab.
Can you see this one has been sharpened and shine across? Very flattening. Can you see it?
How to fashion out different type of beautiful sharpening on the inner surfaces of the upper and the bottom clipper blades. Yeah. That is why I open the secret all for all barbers throughout the world to enjoy. Follow it step by step. Anything you are confused, yeah, put it on WhatsApp. Communicate with me. Snap the picture, do the video, send it to me. Surely, I will respond to your call. I'm ready to assist all barbers throughout the world in sharpening of the clipper blade. In the issue of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Yes, let's follow Master Barbers up. Let's follow him up.
So can you see this one too? I've sharpened this one, the first side, the second side, everything has shined across with flatten surface. Can you see the inner surface very flatten? Yeah. To and fro 10 times for one side, to and fro 10 times for the other side too, for the first and the second one. Yeah, the treatment have to cover the whole surface very well together with the biscuit bone. So let me start with the STAREX. When you are sharpening bigger and the small blade, try to sharpen the soft one, the small one first before the bigger one. This is bigger one, can you see it? This is STAREX, this is bigger blade. So start to sharpen this one first. That is to and fro 10 times for one side, 10 times for the other side, 10 times for one side, 10 times for the other side. That is 20 for one side, 20 for the other side. Let us watch now and look at the inside. Let us watch. Yeah, look at this area. And here. This area and this area, here and here. Is used to CONDEMN. Been using this clipper blade over 7 months now. Yeah, over 7 months without sharpening. Over 7 months without sharpening. They normally come to me with all these CONDEMN blades. If you use it overused. Some will use clipper blade for a year, 6 months, 7 months without sharpening. That is why I am used to say that if you are not a real professional, you cannot sharpen clipper blade in my area or tell ya. You cannot sharpen clipper blade. Yeah, can you see it now? Everything has been sharpened correctly and shining across. Total flatness. Can you see it? Can you see it now? You see this one surface before the sharpening, it has been used to CONDEMN. All this area are totally drilled. The upper blades are drilled this top surface. Drill it down very well. Can you see? It's a new clipper that has not been sharpened before, it's a new one. But they use it over 7 months without sharpening. Everyday work. Packing, repacking. Can you see it? Repackaging this. The upper blade on top of the bottom clipper blade. When they use it though, they repackage it again to work by force. When they use it though, they will repackage it again and work by force again. That is how they continue using it. That is 2 and 4 20 times. That is 2 and 4 20 times for one side, 20 times for the other side too. Let us watch the inner surface. If you watch carefully, these two blades being the same thing come out. Can you see this area? This area too, then this area. Only this area is different from the first one I've sharpened. Can you see all this area has been drilled down? The upper blade has drilled all this area down totally. So I need to bring all this place down to here, this corner to the level of this small blade inner surfaces. Can you see it? That is why I used to tell you that sharpening of the clipper blade is logical, technical. You deal with sense, with real science. Can you see it now? Everything has signed across and very flattened. That is why I used to tell you, sharpening of the clipper blade is logical, technical, professionally. Yeah, before you can call yourself a real professional, you have to know the real logics of sharpening clipper blade. These two clipper blades, this set of clipper blades I have sharpened now. I'm telling you sincerely, if it's an amateur sharpening it, it can take you almost 4-5 hours because you can finish it. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely. Can you see it now? So when you sharpen and you test with free-handed testing styling method, can you see the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade? Yeah, when you can test and see this kind of sign, you see the carbon full the inner surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and the back, which means you are a professional sharpening of the clipper blade. When you treat this kind of a clipper blade very well and you mount it on the clipper engine, you run it, you test it, then you pack mass of hair test, it will cut very perfectly. It will cut like new one if I'm telling you better than the new one. Yeah, let me test for the second one. Yeah, can you see? It's still the same thing. this is where you will totally agree with me that when you sharpen clipper blade, you sharpen the upper and the bottom clipper blade correctly. So when you sharpen for about 10 sets or 20 sets of clipper blade, you test them, it has to give the same kind of results. Can you see the same result the first one has given, the second one has given it to you? Can you see it? Only the difference is there. The upper blade for the first one cut in the center here, there will be space. Carbon will be here, carbon will be here. But in case of this one, the back is full. Can you see from the left hand side to the right hand side is full? There's no cut off part at the back. Can you see? Look at the inner surface of the bottom and the clipper blade. That means the upper and the clipper blade are sharpened correctly. So can you see it? This is what they call the real professional sharpening of the clipper blade. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. This film you are watching, look at the film by the right hand side. Look down. You will see where the right STAREX is. Subscribe in capital letter. Use your finger to press nothing to subscribe. Press the notification bell for you to receive my notification from time to time. Thank you.